Welcome to eBaum's Computer Education. Please subscribe and like and comment to my channel. Please buy my book, Learn How to Use MS Excel in 2023 with New Version of Excel from Amazon by click the link down the video to learn more. Launching and exploring Excel. Go to the Start button on the desktop and press All Apps, then click on Excel. This opens the Excel program. Identifying the items on the Excel program screen. Menu bar. Menu bar contains all the operators which the user wishes to perform on their data. By clicking on each tab, user and view the operator. Example, by clicking on Home tab, user can see the operators which allow changing the font type, size, and color. Toolbars. A wide variety of toolbars displaying buttons which make editing quicker and easier are available. Usually toolbars have only three options: save, undo, and redo. Users have an option of adding any tool they wish to have in toolbar by simply customizing the toolbar. Customizing toolbars. By clicking on the small down arrow present beside toolbar, users can customize toolbar. From the available options, user can select any option by clicking on them. The File tab. In the top left of the ribbon in Excel there's a file. This one. Click this, and you'll see all the file operations: new, open, save, exit, etc. Quick access. The small discrete toolbar Quick Access, where with a single click you can save, undo, etc., is located just to the right of the File button. Quick Access can be customized so that you can choose the features that suit you best. You do this by right-clicking on a button and choosing Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Alternatively, you can click the small arrow to the right of the toolbar, which enables you to quickly select and deselect various features. The Workspace. The workspace is located underneath the ribbon, and this is where you have your spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is a huge table with columns and rows. The columns are named with letters in the column headings, and the rows are labeled with row numbers in the row headings. By clicking on a column heading, you can select the cells in the whole column, and the same is true if you click on a row heading. The corner is in the top left corner of the worksheet. By clicking on the corner, you can select all the cells in the entire worksheet. The cells are the basic elements of the worksheet. This is where we type in our data and formulas. Wherever a row and a column meet, we have a cell. Each cell in the worksheet has a unique name. For example, the cell located where column C and row 4 meet is called C4. A cell can contain numbers, words, and formulas. Formulas are kinds of commands that you type into a cell, which make the cell display the result of a calculation. Sheet tabs. The sheet tabs are located just below the worksheet, on the left side. This is because you can work with multiple worksheets at once. An Excel file is therefore also called a workbook because it is like a folder containing several spreadsheets. The sheet tabs are by default named Sheet 1, Sheet 2, etc., but you can give them more meaningful names yourself. You can also delete and add sheet tabs, and thus spreadsheets. If you right-click on one of the sheet tabs, a menu pops up giving you the opportunity to do various things. You can add, delete, and copy sheet tabs, and thus the spreadsheets they represent. You can also change the order of the tabs and give each tab its own color, which can facilitate the overview. Display buttons. You can use the display buttons to adjust the way you view the spreadsheet. When you start a new spreadsheet, it is displayed in normal view, but you can also view it as a page impression, which is somewhat like the way it would look if you were to print the sheet. Show page breaks is another option, where you can view and adjust the page breaks in the printout. Finally, there is the zoom function, which allows you to enlarge or reduce the view of the sheet. The zoom function does not affect how the spreadsheet appears on a printout. The zoom function is easy to use, but a better way in my opinion is to hold down the Control key on your keyboard while scrolling up and down with the scroll wheel on your mouse. Of course, this requires that you have a mouse with a scroll wheel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more video on training in this channel.